Welcome back to Learning Self-Defense with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, who's developed techniques using pressure points. Previously, we looked at a powerful move to escape a 2-arm front neck choke. Be sure to watch it, if you haven't already.
Hello all, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Master of Muay Thai Academy with a new technique for today for you to learn. I hope you're excited and you have gone through our previous videos and looking forward to learn more. Today we have a very beautiful and simple technique. It is against a grab from the back on the hair, right? Let's say, Ganesh, please hold the position, right? You've been held by the hair from the back, right? You've been attacked from the back or you've been held by the back. I'll come into this position, you can see it better rather, right? If you've been held, the first response would be your hand would go to where the hair it's been held, right? You hold and you turn inside, that will release the catch. Watch this again. Smita, you'll watch this, strong, right? You've been held, hold, and you turn anti-clockwise. That gives the release. Support this hand and you have to use your palm, 3 fingers this way. These 3 fingers would pierce into the armpit area. The armpit area is a cluster of nerves in this particular region that spreads across your shoulders, your trapezius, and for your entire arm, and also connects down to the spine. So this point is a very lethal point because of the number of nerves we have focused or concentrated in one particular area with this spear thrust of 3 fingers. And you need to mind this position again please. You hold and you are turned. Now you have exposed his arm. He doesn't have support, exposed his arm. Quickly this spears would make him go immobilized, the spear. You can see if I give a little more pressure, you see the body reaction, how it goes, right? You need to be careful because you're learning and playing with pressure points. If you're learning with your friends, please don't apply a lot of pressure. You need to be really careful. After that has been done, your fist, your forearm would go on the neck. You drop the neck. It's just a drop. You're not going to really learn how to hit. This forearm is going to drop. Then you hold. Step back and knee. Knee. See? Knee. If you don't want to hit him on the knee, you can go for the inner thigh. So you can do many variations, but the learning here is, again, let me watch again. Hold, turn, pierce, drop, hold, attack. This is the beautiful technique. Now I'll ask Ganesh and Smita to demonstrate. Again, let me remind you, Smita is going to do this for the very first time. All right? Ready, Smita? Ready, Ganesh? Hold. Turn in. Wonderful. Yes. Drop. Okay. Do one more time. Please follow instruction. Hold. Turn in. Okay. Support. Pierce. 1 second. Drop. Drop the elbow. Drop. Continue. Clinch. And knee. Let's try one more time. No worries. You make mistakes, you learn better. Ready? Let's go. Position again. Ready? Now, you need to pay attention really. It can be a mistake because you're excited to do the technique quickly. You want to do it because you want to try how it feels like. In that excitement, your presence of mind could be a little bit disturbed, like you now just witnessed. All right, Smita? Ready? Follow my instruction. Ready? 1, 2, hold now. Support. Wait. After strike, drop. Wonderful. Catch. And knee. Wonderful. Beautiful. See, you could learn. 3rd time. It was very simple for you to her to do it. One more time now by yourself. All right? Held. Turn inside. That's a release. Spear inside. Drop. Wonderful. You see? And knee. Bam. That's good. You see how simple it was for her to learn at the very first time? So the excitement can just drive you to forget a few steps in between. But again, let me remind you, practice. Watch the video again, share with your friends so they can also be part of your practice. Alright, so you all can learn the simple technique, which is very easy, and if you can practice more by watching the video again, you'll improve your reflex memory. So you become more natural in case you face a situation like this. Please do like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Good luck.